It is now easier than ever to test yourself or your child for COVID-19 with the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. The test gives results in just 15 minutes. Performing the test is simple. Each box comes with the proper materials for 2 separate tests. For one test, you will need a swab, a test tube, and a test card. Remove the swab from its packaging and be sure to not touch the end of the swab that you will place in your nostril. If your test tube does not already have solution in it, carefully squeeze the solution into the tube. Brush against the inner nostril 5 times each in a circular motion and have the swab be about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch in. Once you are done swabbing, open the top of the test tube and place the swab into the fluid. Stir the swab in the fluid 15 times and squeeze the side of the tube as you pull the swab out. Then tighten the top of the test tube. Now, with your test card laid flat on the surface, undo the top of the test tube and put 3 drops of fluid into the circular hole on the test card. Make sure to squeeze the tube hard in order to get the droplets onto the card. Once the drops are in, set a timer for 15 minutes. While you're waiting, check to make sure a line appears under the C, as this tells you the sample is valid. If no line appears under the T after 15 minutes, then you are presumed negative. If a line does appear under the T, then you are presumed positive and should contact your medical provider. For more COVID-19 information, please visit bostonpublicschools.org.